I'm at this Wenatchee Dairy Queen trying out their tropical blizzard. Let's go check it out. So here's a medium tropical blizzard. Comes in a pretty medium cup. Probably like, what, 16 ounce? Let's see what goodness they put in this. I think this cost me about $4.30 with tax, medium. Tropical. See some nuts, pineapple. Tasting awesome on a hot, sunny Wenatchee day like this. 82 degrees. Wow, it is awesome right now. I have to rate this a 88%. This wish was a little bit cheaper, you know, like around $3.50 maybe for medium. But hey, perfect for summer or pre-summer hot day. Until next time, be on the lookout for my Sonics review. Peace.